Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to introduce you something which is very fascinating. I'm going to teach you about magic square. So, magic square is a square in which we arrange consecutive numbers in such a way that the sum of rows, columns, and diagonals is the same. So here's an example. I have written the numbers from 1 to 9 in a 3 into 3 grid, and you can see that all the sums of rows, columns and diagonals is 15. The rules which I am going to teach you today are applicable for the numbers which are the grid which is odd, like 3 into 3, 5 into 5 grid, 7 into 7 grid, 9 into 9 and so on. Now let's make a magic square, and as we are making, I'll explain you the rules. So the first rule is that we have to start from the middle column and the topmost row. So we are going to write 1 over here. And let me tell you that it's not that we only have to start from 1. We can start from any number. And we can even write positive and negative integers in this. So now the second rule. Now we have to move towards upright, like we have to move diagonally towards the right. So we are going to move here. But there's no box here, so we'll assume as if here's a box. And now we are going to move extremely towards the opposite box. That's here. Now we are going to write 2 over here. Now we'll again move diagonally towards right, and here will be 3. But as there's no box here, we'll again move here. And we'll write 3 over here. Okay. Now again we'll move towards up, right. Now right, and there's already a number over there. So we are going to write the next number under the previous number. We are going to write 4 under 3. This was our rule number 4. Okay, I'll repeat all the 4 rules again. So the first rule was to start from the topmost row from the middle column. And the second rule was to move towards the right, diagonally towards the right. And the third rule was to, if the number is going out of the grid, we have to write it in the extremely opposite box. And the fourth rule is, which we used just now, is that in case if there's another number written in the place where we have to write the number, we have to write that under the previous number. Now let's continue. Only by following these 4 rules we can make amazing magic squares, and you can even challenge your friends. Now let's proceed. Now let's move diagonally towards the right. Again, rule number 2. And we have right. Now, and there's no grid over here. Now we'll move over here. Now we'll move here, and here there's an other number written. As there's an other number written, we are going to write it under the previous number. Rule number 4. Oh, now let's again move towards the diagonally right. And now there's no box here, so we'll go extremely opposite box. So here comes 8. And again, diagonally towards right, extremely opposite box. And here is 9. So here is our magic square ready. It's so easy. We just need to follow these 4 rules, and we can create big squares. You can even create the 13 into 13 grid. Thank you. Hope you liked it.